CH2M Hill Plateau Remediation Company continues surpassing goals set by the Department of Energy at the Hanford Nuclear Site in southeastern Washington State. Using American Recovery and Reinvestment Act funds, the Waste and Fuels Management Project Team met a performance goal of shipping 1,800 cubic meters of waste to treatment facilities at Hanford and elsewhere. Since 2009, workers at Hanford have been using Recovery Act funds to retrieve containers of contaminated material from storage buildings and underground storage trenches for treatment and disposal. The 1,800 cubic meter metric that was met is mixed low-level and low-level waste, which contains both hazardous chemicals and radioactive material consisting of contaminated debris, equipment, tools, and protective clothing. Most of the material has been in containers buried underground since the 70s and 80s during the Cold War, when Hanford produced plutonium for the nuclear arms race. The Recovery Act goal for the waste cleanup was finished more than 2 months ahead of schedule.
It's considered legacy waste because obviously it's been in the ground since 1970 in many cases, and we have to find a disposition place for it. There is no generator for this waste. I can't go back to one of these facilities and say, you need to go take care of your waste. They're gone. Those people are gone. So the project was put together to say, you deal with legacy waste, we'll fund it with specific funding right out of DOE, and that's how we are standing here today to complete the KPP.
By cleaning up the waste stream now using Recovery Act funding, the Department of Energy will save millions of dollars on storage and surveillance costs later. This is all part of the Department of Energy's commitment to shrinking the Hanford Site cleanup footprint.